Most of the jobs these days have allowances or perks attached to them to make them more attractive. These are no more than tips or graduates, but such terminology or extensions is commonly known as allowances. Allowances are varied and function oriented, just as foreign allowances, to offset the cost of living differential. Similar house rent allowances is given if a free house is not provided to the officers, and the traveling allowances is allowed to compensate the traveling expenses, etc. Allowances vary from country to country. Generally speaking, we are a poorly paid lot in comparison to other development countries. Pensions too are allowances, a reward for faithful service after a long and exhausting career. The amount varies, but in most countries it is fixed at one half of the salary last drawn, with periodically adjustment to allowance for fluctuations in the cost of living index. Most of the foreign retirees are as comfortably off now as they were in service. In comparison to this, in India, pensioners are not being paid, keeping in view present cost of living standards. In recent years, there have been reforms in the Indian pension structure, which is generally appreciated. Moreover, the Supreme Court has ruled that three should be no discrimination, and that liberalized pensions should be admissible to all pensions persons regardless of the date of their retirement. The pension provided to our retired heads of states is very less in comparison to what is being paid to other heads of the state in the world. Each United States ex-presidents receive an annual pension of rupees $80,000 plus lavish offices at government expense and allowances for staff totaling $150,000 during the first 30 months after the president's retirement and $96,000 per annum thereafter. In addition to this, these gentlemen are also provided with 24-hour secret service protection with other facilities. It is suggested that our retired heads of the state may be provided with sufficient means to allow them to end their days, if not in luxury, at least in comfort and dignity.